flower buds are of interest this late for me. That's less than ideal. And I'll try to get away with flower buds like these today. Now, as funny as it sounds, right? That whole thing would be technically one leaf, and these are leaflets. And the leaflets are palmate, as you can see. And they're toothed and they tend to curl upwards as well. And the stems are hairy. Now, these are quite massive. If you see right here, that's a penny, the finger and the leaf as well. There's a plant that looks alike to this. You got it? Mm-hmm. You got it? Mm. It's a nice big one, right? The sap on the stems of this species of plant causes a sensitivity to the sun, which can cause blistering on someone's skin, which is why I'm wearing long sleeves and I'm wearing gloves. That's a little bit past prime right there, but just a little bit. They look so pretty. There is a poisonous look-alike to this plant. It is massive in comparison, and it's quite tall. Giant Hogweed, which is in the same genus as cow parsnip, is much bigger in terms of leaves and the amount of umbels, in terms of leaf size, the amount of flowers it has, the amount of branches of the umbel it has. But the plants look very similar. One is edible and the other is poisonous. Cow parsnips are in the carrot family. There are a lot of poisonous plants in the carrot family, so be very careful when identifying this plant, because if you misidentify this plant, you could die. Here I have the cow parsnip from I gathered that day, and I've eaten some of it already. So I'm gonna fry one of these jars in ghee and eat it as a snack, basically. These things are fine to touch without gloves. When people are concerned about the sap that is coming from the outside of the stems, now I'm going to pull the leaves off of this. Be generous with the ghee here. Basically, what it is butter that's been melted, and they've skimmed the white that rises to the top, which is mostly protein, and by removing the little bit of protein on the top, you make a butter that will go rancid less quickly, and it makes it very shelf stable, so you can keep this type of butter on the shelf for a long time. Okay. Now we're going to lower it a little bit down to there. This is a gas stove. Gas stoves typically heat a lot more intensely. There's no salt in the ghee, so we're going to add some salt to this. These are so spicy and so flavorful by themselves. We don't need to do anything with this, but show some restraint cooking it. Okay. And turn these around a bit. Okay. It has such a strong flavor. Now you could pair this with something bland like rice and something with not much fat. Since I use so much fat with this, the perfume of this vegetable is very special. And if you overcook it, you're gonna lose it, because if this is cooked too long, it's gonna lose this special perfume it has. In fact, I think these could have been cooked a little bit less, to be honest. If you want something that's similar in texture to broccoli, but you want to have more of a interesting flavor, you're just bored with bland vegetables, I really recommend you try this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.